welcome back to our 24-25 school year here at Rineyville Elementary. Go Rockets! Woo!
Hi, I'm Jennifer Updegraff. I'm an assistant at Rineyville Elementary, and we'd like to welcome everybody to Open House tonight, and it's going to be a wonderful school year.
Hi, my name is Tamara Carter, and I'm with Cumberland Family Medical Center through Healthy Kids Clinic as well. And I'm looking forward to giving out some wonderful things for the kids and the parents and kicking off the new year at Rineyville Elementary School.
Brandy Harvey. I work for Silverleaf Services, and we have some goodies to hand out to children and just hope they have a good, happy school year and a safe school year.
Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm with Helping Hand of Hope. I am here tonight to wish the kids a happy school year, and we are providing services for the community, food pantry, pet pantry, financial services. So.
I'm Chris Green. I'm here with the Rineyville Community Youth Soccer League, and we're here to sign up our registered kids or pass out the information about registration. We're looking for volunteers for coaches and new board members, and just out here trying to help the community.
Hi, I'm Sherry Wise, and I'm here at Rineyville Elementary School for Open House. I'm one of the bus drivers. We're looking forward to seeing everyone. We ask that the kids be out 5 minutes early for their bus, and somebody will pick them up. It'll be hectic first couple of days, but we should get everybody to school. If you have any questions, contact the bus garage, or you can also look online for that information. Thank you, and I hope you have a great first day.
Hi, I'm Brandon. I'm here with School Smiles Dental Program. We provide fully comprehensive dental services to schools. Tonight I have some registration forms for families to get signed up for our program when we visit the school, and we're passing out some toothbrushes, floss, and toothpaste for the kiddos.
Hello, my name is Daisy Carter. I am the SAC leader at Rineyville Elementary School for the after-school program, and we are excited about our new year. We have lots of fun things for our children. They are learning while in their time of play. So we do dramatic play with the children. We have science, art, math things, music, and I am a lover of all things arts. So we do music and dance and play, and I really enjoy teaching life skills. So we have lots of things for life skills. For instance, I am one that loves to cook, so we would talk about cooking, and also we have a sewing club that we do, lots of literacy things where we read and we do activities with that. So we have lots of things for your young people to do, and I'm excited about it. So we're going to just have a great year, and it's going to be a blast. So go Rineyville SAC program. I'm excited about it. And for parents that are looking to get in with us, right now we don't have a waiting list. We are full. However, you can check back with us sometime in January, and perhaps if there's any openings, we can get you in. But we thank you so much, and we appreciate you.
Hi, I'm Erin Jarvis. We are so excited to be back for the school year. We are at the car rider table. Families can come and fill out our information, and they can get a car tag to pick them up.
Hi, I'm Trixie, and this is Sherry from Sheer Genius. We're here at Rineyville Elementary's Open House, and we love coming here. Thank you. We are cutting hair.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Full. I'm the school counselor here at Rineyville. We are so excited to see our students and their families and all of our teachers and staff back and at it, ready for a new school year here at Open House 24-25 school year. Coming up, we will have a couple of family nights that parents can attend that will kind of give them some information of what to expect within the upcoming school year, but be on the lookout for calendars and newsletters coming home. In the fall, we will let you enjoy a Veterans Day program, a career day that's coming up. If you are interested in participating in that, we would love for you to come and teach our kiddos. We'll have Christmas programs and fall festival, but just be on the lookout for newsletters, and we're so excited for what this year has in store. Welcome back, everybody.
You see all kinds of parents and grandparents and kiddos are out tonight for Rineyville Elementary's Open House. Woo!